Today we are going to discuss biodegradable polymers. Now biodegradable polymers are basically the polymers which are decomposed into natural byproducts like gases, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, etc., water, biomass and inorganic salts in the presence of microorganisms. So here in the first statement you can see that these are decomposed or these are biodegradable, these are degradable into natural byproducts. There are two important things: decomposition into natural byproducts and yes, in the presence of microorganisms. Now in the second point you can see that they do not produce toxic substances. So basically their decomposition is reliable, their decomposition is safer, their decomposition is also relatively quicker. So because of this fact that it leads to the formation of non-toxic products and therefore it can be used in our daily life. They consist of esters, amides and other functional groups. So they should have some ester group, some amide group. So basically they are formed by the condensation polymerization reactions. All of us know that condensation means that two monomeric units are combined together, they get polymerized with the elimination of byproduct molecules. So the byproduct molecules may be water, ammonia or alcohol, etc. Here are some examples. You can see that polylactic acid, PLA, polyglycolic acid, PGA, then PHBV, right? We will be discussing this polymer as well. And another important biodegradable polymer is nylon 2, nylon 6. So we will be considering one by one. So these are four important points that you have to remember, and let us consider the formation of these four important biodegradable polymers. Let us consider the first example of biodegradable polymer, which is polylactic acid. Now the formula of lactic acid is CH3, CH, OH, COOH. So you can see that this is the optically active compound. This is lactic acid, right? So here what happens, n number of lactic acid molecules polymerize to give polylactic acid. So here you can see that H atom, hydrogen atom from OH molecule and OH group from COOH group, they combine together. When large number of monomeric units combine, they combine together with the elimination of water molecules. So N water molecules are being eliminated over here, and then here we get the polymer. So here we show it in the same manner, like H group is eliminated. So we show this free valency, then CH3, CH, C double bond O, and since OH group is being eliminated over here, so we make it free here, and then in this way this is formed polylactic acid, right? PLA. So there is another method also. Sometimes it so happens that suppose CH3, C, H, OH, C double bond O, OH. So first of all, dimers are being formed. Two molecules of lactic acid, they can be written in this manner: CH3, CH, then OH, C double bond O, OH. Now water molecule is eliminated from here, right? And similarly water molecule is eliminated from here. So it leads to the formation of a ring-like structure. So here you can see CH, CH3, C double bond O, O, CH, CH3, C double bond O, and then O. And finally, in the presence of catalyst, it polymerizes into polylactic acid. So either you write directly here or you can show this mechanism. So in this way there is formation of this ring-like structure, dimer. Dimer is being formed here, dimer, and then it leads to the formation of polylactic acid. So this is an example of biodegradable polymer. So this is another example, polyglycolic acid. This is an example of biodegradable polymer. Earlier we have discussed polylactic acid. and now we are going to discuss PGA, that is polyglycolic acid. So here the monomer is CH2OH COOH. So this is glycolic acid, right? So n number of molecules of glycolic acid polymerize in the same manner that we have discussed in the case of lactic acid. This is glycolic acid. So n number of molecules polymerize to give polyglycolic acid. So CH2O, since hydrogen is eliminated from here and OH group is eliminated from here, so free valency we show in this manner, and then C double bond O, OH group is kept outside, and in that way here we show N. So this is the degree of polymerization, and this gives rise to PGA, that is polyglycolic acid. Similarly, we can see that how it takes place with the formation of a dimer. So we can write in the same manner CH2OH C double bond O OH, and we can write another molecule of glycolic acid CH2. We can show like this CH2OH C double bond O OH, right? So here again water molecule is eliminated from here and water molecule is eliminated from here, and it leads to the formation of a dimer. Again a dimer is being formed here, CH2 C double bond O O CH2 C double bond O, and finally in the presence of catalyst polymerization occurs and it leads to the formation of polyglycolic acid. So either you show in one step or you show in this stepwise mechanism like with the help of formation of a dimer. So again this is glycolide, a dimer is being formed here and it leads to the formation of polyglycolic acid. So in that way you can show that how this biodegradable polymer is being formed here. Now this is the third example of biodegradable polymer, PHBV, that is poly 3-hydroxybutyrate. We have mentioned here so this is a copolymer, means two different monomers are being united or polymerized here. So 3-hydroxybutyrate, 3-hydroxyvalerate. Now there are two monomers. You have to remember that there are two monomers. One is 3-hydroxybutanoic acid and the other is 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. Let us find out the similarities and differences over here. You can see that in both the monomeric units there are oic acid groups, like there are two carboxylic acid groups. In this particular compound there is one carboxylic acid group, and in this particular compound there is one carboxylic acid group. And in both the cases you can see that at the third carbon atom there is OH group, hydroxyl group is present over here. And the main difference is this is butanoic acid and this is pentanoic acid. So the number of carbon atoms in this acid is 4 and in this it is 5. So let us write down the structures of both the monomers first. So CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. This is butanoic acid. Now we have to add one OH group at the third carbon atom. So 1, 2 and 3, third carbon atom. So we will remove one H hydrogen atom from here and then we will add OH group. So this is 3-hydroxybutanoic acid. Butanoic acid. Similarly, let us consider another monomer which is 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. So let us write down the structure. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So COOH group is present here, and then 1, 2 and 3 at third carbon atom we have to add hydroxyl group, so OH. Then we have to complete the valency, so CH3, CH2, here 1, 2, 3 and CH, and then CH2, COOH. So here you can see that this is 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. I hope it is clear to everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms are there. So this is this pentanoic acid, and at the third carbon atom, first, second and third carbon atom, we have added OH group. Now COH group and OH groups interact in this manner that whenever these two monomers polymerize or dimerize even, then OH from here and H from here, it is eliminated in the form of water molecule. So minus H2. So we will get CH3, CHOH, CH2, C double bond O, O, CH, CH2, CH3, then CH2, C double bond O, OH. Now this is dimer which is being formed here. In condensation polymerization mechanism, we form first the dimer because it is a two-step process, or it follows the step growth mechanism, and then after the formation of this dimer, n number of molecules of this dimer polymerize to lead to the formation of this PHBV. So here we can write in this manner CH3, CH, O. So H is eliminated, that's why we have kept this free valency here. So CH3, CH, O, CH2, C double bond O, O, CH, C2H5, CH2, C double bond O, and then since OH is eliminated from the carboxylic group, so we keep it free and then N mentioned here. So this is PHBV, and this is an example of biodegradable polymer. Let us consider the last example of biodegradable polymer, which is nylon 2 nylon 6. In this particular case, you can see that there are two monomers, glycine and aminocaproic acid. Again, this is an example of condensation polymerization, and here copolymerization occurs in that manner that water molecule is eliminated. Let us see how. Now let us write down the structures of both the monomers. Glycine is CH2, NH2, COOH, right? And what is aminocaproic acid? Again, NH2, CH2, 5 units are there, methylenes 5 units are there, and at the end COOH group. So here you can see that in both the cases NH2 group is there and COOH group is there. So what happens then when these two monomers polymerize? Then first of all, in the first step, there is the formation of a dimer. So OH group is eliminated from here, from carboxylic group, and H is eliminated from here, from amino group. So in that way, water molecule is eliminated. So we can see here NH2, CH2, C double bond O, because OH is being eliminated from here, CO group is left, and then H is eliminated, so NH group is left. So NH, CH2 whole 5, COOH, right? And finally, N number of these units polymerize. So this is degree of polymerization, large number of units polymerize to give this nylon 2 nylon 6 polymer. So we write in the same manner NH, keeping this valency free for polymerization, CH2, C double bond O, NH, CH2 whole 5, C double bond O, since OH group is eliminated from here, so keep this valency free and make it N here, and this is nylon 2 nylon 6. This shows the number of carbon atoms. Nylon 2 means there are 2 carbon atoms here, right? Nylon 6, so you can see that 5 carbon atoms are here. So nylon 2 nylon 6, it shows the formation of biodegradable polymer. So biodegradable polymer. So in this way, we have considered the concept of biodegradable polymers, and apart from that, we have considered few examples starting from PLA, PGA, and then PHBV, and lastly nylon 2 nylon 6. Thank you very much.